614 flights, 9,000 miles of airspace, 148 hours behind the sticks. That is what 3 years of commercial drone operations looks like. And every single flight is tracked right here. I am Bill Barnard. I run a one-man drone operation out of Eugene, Oregon. FAA Part 107, 6 aircraft. Everything from thermal search and rescue with the Matrice 30T to cinematic FPV with the Avatar 2. When I started logging flights seriously, I tried spreadsheets. Then I tried apps that wanted monthly subscriptions to store my own data on their cloud. None of it worked the way an actual operator needs it to work, so I built my own. This is DroneOps Command. Every flight gets a full record: date, aircraft, location, mission type, duration, crew, and notes. Click into any flight, and you get the complete picture. I can pull up the details of a search and rescue mission from last March in 2 seconds. In March 2025, I flew 6 hours over 800 acres in the Coast Range foothills, searching for a missing person. That entire operation, every flight, every grid covered, every battery swap, is documented right here. Show Pre-Flight Checklist screen. Click through the checklist items. Before any mission launches, there is a pre-flight checklist: airspace verification, weather check, battery status, equipment inspection, communication plan. Nothing gets skipped, nothing gets forgotten. The checklist lives in the software, not in my head. Fleet management tracks every aircraft individually. The Matrice 30T has its own flight hours, its own maintenance schedule, its own battery cycle count. Same for the 4TD, the Mavic 3 Pro, all 6 platforms. When something needs service, I know before it becomes a problem. After a mission, I can generate a full report with one click. It runs through Ollama with Mistral. That is a local AI model running on my own server. The flight data goes in, a structured mission report comes out. No data leaves my network, no cloud API, no subscription. The dashboard gives me the full picture: flights by month, hours by aircraft, missions by type. 3 years of operational data in one view. When a client asks for my experience, I do not estimate. I show them exact numbers. You can try this right now. The full demo is live at command-demo.barnardhq.com. No account, no install, no sales pitch. Just click and see what real drone operations management looks like. DroneOps Command. Open source. Self-hosted. Built by an operator who needed it to exist. barnardhq.com